I built three different websites using three different approaches. One was fast, one was lazy, and one was a bit sophisticated. And what's interesting is the results kind of say everything. So, for this experiment, I would be using OpenAI's Codex. And if you don't know, it's basically an AI coding agent. You give it prompts, and it can build features, fix bugs, and even build full applications. So, what I will be doing in this video is I will be making three different websites and I would be increasing the complexity of the problem each time. So, let's get started. But before we begin, we need to install Codex on our systems. So, go to Google Chrome or any other browser of your choice and search for Codex. So, this would lead to here. Let's go for the first link and we'll do is quick start and we will install the application first. Now let's install this. So here's it all downloaded and it would log in itself from your ChatGPT account. So let's open this in VS Code. Here we need to go to extensions and download Codex. So let's wait. So it's now installed and you can see this icon right here, and by clicking right here you can access Codex. So for the first one, I had a simple idea, just a weather application that's connected to an API and nothing crazy. I needed a clean UI and that's it. So I started prompting. So it begins, let me just write, hi, I want to make an weather application, and let's just put this in a simple prompt and let's see what it creates with this. So here's what it has created. It's good. It's what I wanted to do exactly, but the way I wanted it to look, it's not that same. So let me just go back and go to the plan mode and then plan it accordingly to my vision. Let's wait. So this is what it has created. Now this is something really close to what I wanted. Just a simple search and let's go for Delhi and here's the result. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it got close to what I had in my mind. And the whole process was fast and it kind of felt fun actually. I used a plan mode a bit just to stay on track and then a couple small prompts to clean up the UI. Next, let's try the lazy mode. In this method, what we do is we dump in all what we require in a single prompt. So here, as you can see, this is my whole prompt. It has everything that I want in my application. Let's have a look at our results. I understand that what it's trying to do, but it's not really there. You still have to go in and tweak things, kind of guide it. So, yeah, if you want something really quick, it's fine, but I wouldn't completely rely on this method. So, now let's try another approach where I will try to offer more context to the coding agent, along with that, tweak in little things, and I planned it out first. Here you can see the document that I have created. Let's put it in to the chat window at Codex. And so this is the website that it has created. It looks pretty good, but it still lacks in functionalities. We would need to do that on iterating with the AI agent again. But the results are better. It has a cleaner UI, better structure, something you can actually use. So, yeah, AI can build websites, but how you use it, that makes the real difference. These three approaches gave you the results, although they were useful in their own ways. It's up to you to choose which approach based on your case and you want your application to do. The website here in the fast approach might be good for you if you're trying to build something temporary like a party planner website for friends or family, or a voting form, or a simple data collection exercise. In case of the lazy approach, you can see that it is a bit more sophisticated, but there's a lot of room of improvement. And as if we plan and add more context, things can be better in case you're building something like a full blown product or a prototype that you want to showcase to your investor. It all comes down to your taste, resource, and time. Let us know what you think of these approaches, and let us know your approach as well. Paste your links to your work in the comment section, and happy coding until next time.